Hi guys, I just received these meteor lights that I ordered online. There are 8 pieces of them, and I didn't know that you can daisy chain them together. Otherwise, I would order some more. Here it is. Um, they have multiple colors. I ordered the cool light. Uh, I may order the colored one or warm white or whatever. The power requirement is through a wall socket. It has the output of a USB output. It's about 5 volts and little mini amps. Let me see if I can get it here. I guess not. Well, I'm gonna hook it up and you can see the effect. They're about 50 centimeters each. It's about 18, 19, 20 inches. But if you like them or whatever, I do, I may order some more. They're like $12 and daisy chain them together. So here we go. Let me plug it in. That's awesome. On your front door or in your parties or on the tree for Christmas time or Halloween or any other activity that you may have. I'm gonna disconnect that USB thingy and hook it up to a solar panel with the rechargeable battery. So it will come on and off, dawn and dusk, and basically run by itself rather than that adapter in the wall. I don't like adapters. So I thought I'd share it with you guys and let me know if you have any questions. Have fun guys. Bye.